You ever look at your photos and think, why does this look so amateur? And then look at someone else's photo taken with a similar camera and it looks clean, sharp, and professional. Here's the truth. It's not your camera and it's not some secret setting that you have yet to discover. Professional looking photos come down to a few key things. And once you see them, well, you can't unsee them. Now, if you're new here, well, this is Shoot Happens, where I break down photography in plain English so you can actually improve. So let's get on to today's topic. The first thing that separates a professional looking photo from an amateur one is light. Not how much light you have, but how you use it. Most beginners, well, they shoot in whatever light is available. Midday sun, harsh overhead light, blowing out highlights, no direction, no depth. Professionals, on the other hand, well, they tend to chase the light. They position themselves based on the light direction. They shoot early, late, or in controlled conditions. And most importantly, they use light to create depth and contrast. So if your photos look flat, it's almost always a lighting problem. Now, the second thing is composition. And no, I'm not talking about the rule of thirds. I'm talking about intentional composition. Beginners tend to point their camera at a subject and take the shot. Professionals, they build the shot. They think about what's in the background, what's in the foreground, what is distracting, what should not be in the frame. The last one, it's huge. Professional photos often look better because they include less. Cleaner frames, stronger subject, no clutter pulling the eye away. Now the third thing, and this is a big one, is consistency. Amateur photos are all over the place. Different exposures, different color, different feel from shot to shot. Professional work, well, feels consistent. There's a degree of continuity between them. Same tone, same color profile, same style. That consistency is what makes a photo feel intentional, not random. And here's one a lot of people miss. Editing. Not heavy editing, good editing. Professionals don't rely on editing to fix bad photos. They use it to refine good ones. Subtle contrast, control the highlights, clean colors, natural skin tones. If your editing is all over the place, or if you're cranking sliders, trying to save the shot, that's a sign your photo wasn't strong to begin with. Now, real quick, this video is sponsored by Shining Prints. This actually ties into directly how your photos are presented, because a professional photo doesn't stop at the edit. It also matters how you display it. And this is where Shining Prints comes in. I've personally reviewed a lot of prints over the years. Canvas, acrylic, metal, and I can tell you, not all prints are created equal. Shining Prints consistently produces some of the best metal prints that I've tested. The detail, the color accuracy, the depth you get from their HD metal, it makes your images look alive. And that's the difference between a photo that's just sitting on your hard drive and a photo that actually feels like a finished piece of work. And another thing they absolutely nail is the presentation. From the moment it shows up, the packaging, the build quality, the mounting, everything about it feels absolutely premium, which matters, especially if you're printing for your home, a client, or even selling your work, because at the end of the day, a professional photo deserves a professional presentation. So if you want to check them out, I'm going to drop a link in the description down below. Now, let's get back to it. Let's talk about gear for a second, because this is where a lot of people get stuck. They think, well, if I just had a better camera, my photos would look more professional. No, better gear can help, but it does not fix bad light, bad composition, or bad timing. I've seen incredible photos taken with older cameras and terrible photos taken on a $5,000 setup. The difference is the person behind the camera. Always has been. So if you're trying to make your photos look more professional, focus on this. Better lighting, cleaner composition, more consistency, and subtle editing. And get those right, and your photos are going to instantly level up. No new camera required. Friends, that is all I have here for you today for this video here. If this helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and consider hitting the like button. It really does help with the whole YouTube algorithm, and we do thank you for that, because this is exactly what we do here on Shoot Happens. And if you want me to break down how to improve your photos faster, well, watch this next video right here. Friends, that is all I have. I will see you in the next video.